Now that the top specs of the upcoming Unihertz Tank 4 Pro has been leaked, I think it makes sense if I compare it with other top tier 5G rugged phones. I've already compared with the Unihertz 28 Ultra, and in this video I'll be comparing it with the Oukitel WP100 Titan. It's going to be a quick specs comparison video. I'll be comparing the top specs of both devices side by side. Have in mind that the leaked specs of the upcoming Tank 4 Pro may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. Anyways, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the top features of both 5G rugged beasts.